Hello everybody, we've been sent a escape kit. So, first you've got to cut out like these words, like places. So, like the Wonder Garden, the Mysterious Cave, the Enchanted Forest. And you get these like puzzles, and one of these words go with the puzzle. And like some of them you get like a sheep, but a couple of them you get like this. So these ones are words with the words, gems with the words on, and you have to try and make a word with all the gems. And then after that, you've got to write all your answers down on a piece of paper. And we had lots of fun. I did it with my mummy, daddy and my sister Jessica. Thank you, Escape Kit.